It's very common to see people focusing on sharpening, adding, upgrading their own job specific skills, which is very good because it could be about a latest software, or it could be about an HR tool, or a financial process, or production technology, or project management, any of those things. We always need to keep upgrading, and that's the only way to stay relevant in our careers. Agreed. But the key point that we must not miss is only job specific skills without a focus on our meta skills is not going to be very sustainable. Now, what are the meta skills? Meta skills are higher order skills. They are the skills which are long lasting, they don't go out of fashion, and they are relevant across roles, across industries, across geographies. We must keep on sharpening those meta skills also. So let us have this principle that lay the foundation with meta skills, and on top of it build job specific skills. So that way we bring relevance, we also bring longevity to our careers.